Hello and welcome to the Outdoors. My name is Talon Jao, Sales Manager with Outdoors RV here in the Grand Ronde Valley, and today I'd like to show you one of our newest floor plans. We continue to hear from customers that they're wanting a smaller, more compact trailer to be able to get farther out in the backcountry, and we continue to innovate here at Outdoors RV. I'm excited today to show you one of our most popular sportsman and small family units, the 19CK Creekside Titanium Series. So we'll take a look at that today and do a small walkthrough. Overall length is 24 feet 8 inches. This is perfect and compact for getting into those backcountry spots. Also, this unit does not feature a slide out. So once again, opens up more possibilities for camping areas. This is perfect for the backcountry, the sportsman or the small family who wants to get away from KOAs and off just going onto the paved roads. Once again, this also features generous tank capacities, 78 gallons freshwater capacity with 40 black and 40 gray. So not only can you get out in the backcountry, but you can stay out there as well. So now let's take a moment and walk around some of the features that are standard on the Outdoors RV. Now, every Outdoors RV comes standard with the Built Tough construction, the 4 seasons, and the off-road suspension. We have some videos on our online resource that will detail those out more specifically. So take a moment if you can and go watch those videos. And if you have any questions, of course, give us a call at the factory. So now let's dive into some of the features. This is a Titanium series, so it features a one-touch ground control TT auto leveling system. Once you get to your campsite, hit the button and watch it level itself. It's a breeze. Also featuring the 18-foot full expanse awning with weather guard metal awning shield. So once again, this keeps it from getting scraped by trees, UV damage. And once again, we cover almost the entire rig in an awning. Also, we feature the X4 off-road suspension system, E-rated Goodyear Endurance tires, heavy-duty 4,000-pound axles. Then you have KYB world-class shocks, off-road shock plates, and an All-Track 4000 MORryde center suspension on top of our custom-built chassis, built by us here in Oregon. Extra large garage access door with fold-up storage on struts, so that way you can put your totes or bicycles in here, with Armor Guard diamond plate floor protection, which is gas and oil resistant. Convenient front tool chest with access to your battery disconnect, your auto leveling system, your 50 amp MPPT controller with standard 400 watts roof mounted solar, including a side solar port for up to 200 watts. Featuring 2 30-pound propane tanks, underslung off-road hitch, which lowers the shank height requirement for your truck by about 5 inches, half fiberglass cap, along with a reinforced diamond plate front skirt protection, and it's once again backed up to make sure it's nice and protected. Roadside, extra large storage door with magnetic luggage door and slam latch. Once again, all Outdoors RV feature a 2-inch aluminum frame high-density block foam wall, and that's every single wall. Behind the front cap, back wall, side walls, and if it's a slide-out unit, all the slide-out, including the slide-out roof. So once again, make sure when you're researching the industry standard trailer that you're making sure that every wall is at 2-inch thickness. Now, we also feature dual pane windows standard on every model. 25,000 BTU furnace, exterior hot-cold shower, 6-gallon quick recovery water tank. And so once again, you have all the amenities and off-road abilities to get out there, stay out there, and be comfortable. Now, let's go and take a look inside the sportsman favorite trailer. Now that we're inside the trailer, let's take a look at a few of the amenities. Entry door coat closet with storage drawers, deep overhead storage, large countertop storage area, set your books, drinks, you name it right there. Extra storage right here, and residential comfy theater seating. Now let's take a look at the kitchen, dinette, and sleeping area. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. This is a non-slide unit, but still has ample kitchen space. Countertops feature solid surface sink lids for extra counter space, including a single basin farm sink, plenty of pantry storage up here and below, 17-inch range with 3-burner cooktop, extra backsplashes to make sure you keep your walls nice and clean, and an 8 cubic foot 12-volt Furrion off-grid refrigerator. 42 by 74 dinette, so extra large dinette, which also makes down into a bed. Then you have extra large dinettes storage with travel lock handles. Overhead storage, and a 24-inch fold-out TV. Dual 48 by 72-inch bunk beds in the back corner. So once again, extra large adult-sized bunks for sleeping for 1 to 2 people on each bunk, along with the dinette, which converts into a bed. Or once again, you have seating for everybody in this small trailer. That's why this is a Sportsman and a small family favorite unit. The problem with most small trailers is a small bathroom. But in the 19CK, not only do you get ample seating and sleeping for everybody, but you get an extra large bathroom with extra large countertop, storage underneath, stainless steel sink, medicine cabinet, along with an extra large window, a tub shower with convenient door. Once again, my name is Talon J with Outdoors RV. Thank you for taking the time on this short 19CK Creekside Titanium Series walkthrough. Once again, this floor plan is designed to be a Sportsman and small family friendly, and is designed to get you out there, no slide out, 24 feet, 8 inches overall. So once again, plenty of room to get you out there, but plenty of room of livability inside as well. If you have any questions, call us at the factory. Otherwise, once again, thank you for taking time and watching this video.